In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required error on iPhone. Let's get started. First, ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, give a fresh restart to your device. A quick reboot can clear temporary software glitches that may be preventing the app from being verified. Next up, launch settings, go to general. Go to the option date and time. Make sure you have toggle on for the option set automatically. An incorrect date or time can interfere with Apple's verification process. Launch your App Store. Click on this profile icon. Check for any available app updates. If the app still won't verify, delete it and reinstall it from the App Store. If the app was installed from another source, make it comes from a trusted provider and that any required certificates or enterprise profiles are still valid. You should also check for iOS update. For that, launch settings, go to general, go to software update. If any updates are available, just update it. If the problem persists, head back, scroll down, go to transfer, reset iPhone, click on reset network settings and complete this process. Finally, if you are still unable to verify the app, check Apple server status. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Apple server status, head over to its official website. If you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.